What if living your life earned you rewards? Introducing Lifepoints.
Did you know that you can get extra money from paid surveys? Keep watching to learn more. See how people are making money from paid surveys. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make money from paid surveys. This time of year, it's easy to be broke. If you need a simple part-time solution, then paid surveys may be perfect for you. That's one of the reasons why millions of people have signed up to Survey Compare. And here's why. You can earn money from answering surveys. New technology has made it easy to do this from your phone or laptop. And guess what? Now join in on the rewards. Sign up today by clicking the link below. Everyone would like a little bit of extra cash, right? Well, if you were born between 1966 and 2002, you may be eligible to earn with Survey Compare. And look, it doesn't matter if you're waiting in line, commuting to work, or just have some spare time. You can get rewarded all from your mobile or desktop. Think about it. It's so easy. You can make money. You'll be rewarded for sharing your opinion with big businesses. You won't become ridiculously rich, but you can make quite a bit. So what are you waiting for? You'll be thrilled with Survey Compare. Here's how you sign up. Click the link below. Fill out a simple form so we can match the surveys that fit your profile. You can earn as soon as you fill out your first survey.